In contemporary times, Tesla has achieved remarkable feats in autonomous vehicle technology. Not only can Tesla vehicles self-park without human intervention, but they can also autonomously navigate to your location, akin to a cab summoned from a parking spot. Now, Tesla is poised to revolutionize urban transportation with the imminent launch of the robotTaxi, a fully driverless cab. Picture this: a cab ready and waiting whenever you need it, eliminating the need for personal vehicles. Driverless cabs offer unparalleled privacy and a supremely comfortable ride at your fingertips. Gone are the days of parking woes, vehicle maintenance, and cleaning hassles. Traveling stress-free, passengers can engage in various activities during their journey. You can treat a robotTaxi as your private car, and once your task is completed, it seamlessly transitions to serve another passenger. Moreover, the adoption of robotTaxis holds significant environmental and traffic alleviation benefits. With a majority of vehicles on the road being robotTaxis, traffic congestion becomes a thing of the past. Enhanced safety, coupled with cost-effective fares, makes robotTaxis an attractive option for passengers of all demographics, including elderly and disabled individuals, who can now travel with ease and independence. The versatility of robotTaxis extends beyond passenger transport. From child transportation with enhanced safety features to reliable courier and parcel delivery services, robotTaxis redefine the boundaries of urban mobility. With automated charging capabilities and the ability to operate continuously without rest, robotTaxis promise to transform the landscape of modern transportation.